All right, we got some good news and we got some bad news. The bad news is I just lost $3,000 when I shouldn't have lost $3,000. And the good news is, well, I'm still here, still alive, got my health, I'm still in the game. So that's all good. I just wanted to talk to you guys about, how to overcome a big loss or a couple of losing streaks. Kind of just shooting this vlog style just because I had a big losing day. Now, how it happened, I was trading Aussie New Zealand pair and I was holding that trade. It was a short-term trade on a small time frame. It was like a 30-minute entry time frame. And what I did was I was trading the range and I was selling at the top of the range, and I held my position going into the daily close of the candle. During that time, no markets are open at that time, and so the spread usually widens during that time. And so I went from having an entry to exit of about 10 pips to all of a sudden the spread jumped 40 pips on me, and I ended up losing 3 times the amount I should have lost. So that was kind of frustrating. To be honest, I think it's kind of funny. I did get a good laugh out of it. I get more laughs out of that as in, oh, it's a dumb trading mistake, than if I lose 4, 5, or 6 trades in a row. It's different because if I lose 5 trades in a row, I will lose them consistently over the course of a week or two, and then I just feel crappy. At least this banged it out all in one day. So I just wanted to make a vlog about how to actually overcome these big losses or a big losing streak. And my number one tip is to first get out of your environment that you are currently in. Turn off the charts, walk away from the house or the desk, turn off the charts for the day, take a day off or 2 days off, and come back when you're prepared. Obviously, make sure that you do review the trades that you either lost many in a row, or your big trade that you just, like me, you just somehow lost it. That's a trading mistake that easily I could have in place where, hey, you know what, I'm not going to trade any of the minor pairs or exotic pairs and hold them into the daily close of the candle, because the spread always widens. I kind of did that to myself. I was aware of it, but I did turn a blind eye to it. These type of things happen once or twice a year or something like that. I make a dumb trading mistake like that. But yeah, the best thing you can do is, first thing, get out of your environment, turn off the charts, come back when you're ready, but obviously review the trade and to see, hey, what happened? How can you get better, right? So that's number one. The number two is go to the gym and get some exercise. You start working out, you start sweating, you release the negative energy, you get the toxins out of you. It just feels good, right? Go on the treadmill for an hour and just get some exercise, And the last thing is, you could also talk to somebody, talk to a group. If you're in a trading group, talk to somebody that's a trader. So what I did, talk to my group, say, hey, this is what happened. I want you guys to learn from my experience. Sometimes you got to touch the hot stove to realize it's hot, right? So what I'm going to do, take Friday off. I'm going to go do some ATVing and do some hot springs. I'm in La Fortuna right now. They have a great little ATV tour here. And then they have hot springs. They also have a big volcano that you can hike, but you can't actually hike on top of the volcano, which I want to do. If I'm going to go see a volcano, I feel like I want to hike to the very top of it, and I want to see magma shooting out of it, lava going down, That's what I want to see if I'm going to climb a volcano. Here, you can't actually do that. So you got to go to some exotic country to see something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go do ATVing, show you guys around this place too after the ATV trip, and then probably hit the hot springs and relax. All right, guys, let's get it.
To start, pick it up once, your first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Hey! Crap!
All right, this ATV adventure is fantastic. Just pulling over to do some swimming here in the river. You got some people jumping in the water. Oh my gosh. The first half was pretty shitty in my opinion. We were just driving over some roads and some dirt pavement. But on the way back, awesome. We really kicked it up a gear. We went right through the jungle. Got stuck a couple times going through the mud. In fact, there was one point where I was recording going down, and the guy in front of me, the leader, he jammed on his brakes, and so I whacked into him, and then the person behind me whacked into me, and my phone went flying. I'll play that clip again. But my gosh, it is tough to record some clips. Check out the view, man. Woo. Already forgot about the 3K loss, baby. Living it. All right, we're back from our ATV trip. That was awesome. I want to give you guys a quick tour. We are staying in literally shipping containers. We are in La Fortuna, Costa Rica. These guys got a nice spot because you can't see the volcano, but the volcano is behind the clouds right there. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of this. I'm staying in a place called La Fortuna Homes and Vacation or something like that. So there's my shipping container. It's literally one of those things that you put on the boat from China and you import stuff. Check out the view. Beautiful porch, nice little garden view. This place is awesome. We got a great little trading setup. That's where we lost to $3,000. Nice little couch. Got a nice full kitchen. Gas top. They give you coffee. Great Wi-Fi. You got your own little router up there. Come over here. You got a full bed. Got your own TV. Now this place was only 35 bucks a night. You pay cash, you're paying 30 bucks a night. This place is great. Now, I'm just gonna warn you guys, before I show you this bathroom, don't look at the toilet. Just don't look at the toilet, all right? I'll try my best not to show it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Check it out. Oh my gosh, that guy's car horn has not stopped. But hey, giving you guys a little tour of that. I can't believe that they made a house out of a shipping container. I mean, that's pretty cool. Check it out. I think that's pretty cool. You got a full kitchen, nice patio, you got great Wi-Fi, AC, full bathroom, bedroom, everything. I love it. So we got back from the ATVing. That was awesome. Loved every second of it. Now that I'm back, I'm just gonna have a quick bite to eat, and then we're gonna go to the hot springs, you know, get all the negative toxicity out of my body. The hot springs is free, which is nice. You don't have to pay 10 or 20 bucks to actually get into the government hot springs. So this one is free. I support it. I'm not paying the government to go check out their hot springs. That's what I'm gonna do. Have some more chill out time. Let's go, baby. Woohoo! All right, I am just chilling out, enjoying a couple beers at the hot springs. Give you guys a quick little tour. I'm not sure if I got the angles really right, but hey, I'm just laying on my back. Got the ears underneath the water, just chilling out, living. Give you guys what I'm looking at. Absolutely beautiful. And so, let's just wrap up this video right here. Like I said, if you come off a big loss or a couple losing trades in a row, take a couple days off, get your mind right, turn out the charts, go to the gym, exercise, do an activity, come back ready to go. Always make sure you review your trade reviews. Make sure that they are good trades. Talk to somebody. Those are my tips that I recommend. I'm ready to go next week, baby. Feeling good. Life is great here in Costa Rica. And yeah, hey, the hot springs. If you guys ever come here, La Fortuna, the free hot springs. Make sure you guys bring beer. I only brought 4 beers, but I had about 4 or 5 people come up to me and say, hey, do you have beer? So when you come here, make sure you bring, 20 beers at least. Just hand them out to people. People will ask you. Everybody's drinking. It's a great time here. I'm gonna let you guys go with that. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, let me know, all right? I have no idea if you guys can hear me. My ears are underwater, so it feels like I'm just talking to myself. So it is quite loud. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers, everybody. Woo-hoo.